Meron ako share sa inyo guys na isang phone na sobrang sulit at 3,000 pesos. And this is the Tecno Spark Go 2. Powered by the Unisoc na T7250. It's a chip na for everyday usage. For multitasking and it can do anything na bigay mo sa kanya. Except of course heavy gaming. Now, ang kanyang camera is a 13MP which is normally mga phones at this price point. Makuha mo is just 8MP. Another thing is that this is a punch hole na and mga ibang phones at this price point makukuha mo is just still teardrop notch. Not bad na ganyan design and medyo kamukha niya Oppo K13 Turbo yung kanang camera bump dito. And it also has plastic frame, plastic back, and of course a IP64 dust and water resistant. And it can withstand drop up to 1.5 meters. And honestly nung nilalaro ko naman itong phone na ito on a day-to-day basis, perfect na perfect siya pang backup or para sa mga tito and tita, tatay, nanay na hindi masyado mateki. Browsing on social media dito with a 120Hz screen refresh rate. Smooth naman siya, pero of course, don't expect too much from it. There are times na may kunting lag. Pero one thing na gusto ko dito sa kanya is meron siyang stereo speaker. Isang speaker dito sa ilalim, and there's another one here sa taas. Pero kung hindi ka naman kontento sa kanyang sounds, you can always use yung kanyang headphone jack. And best of all dito sa phone na ito, you can expand with a micro SD card na expansion dito sa kanyang SIM slot. It can accommodate two na 4G SIM and isang micro SD at all at the same time. Now, if you want to watch yung aking full review, i-up na natin on a few days time. Pero if you want to buy this one, lalo sa brand day sale, this would be on sale for 3,099 pesos. So just simply click the yellow basket.